If you've been struggling with damaged hair, you're not alone. Every day, we expose our strands to heat, color treatments, and environmental stressors, which can leave them looking tired and lackluster. But what if there was a way to bring your hair back to life? Enter the Amika The Kure Intense Strength Repair Mask. This product promises to restore and rejuvenate your hair, leaving it feeling stronger and more hydrated. Sounds like exactly what we need, right? Before we get into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you can stay updated on all the latest beauty reviews here on Beautyistic. We've got tons more coming your way. So, let's break down what this product is all about. The Amika The Kure Intense Strength Repair Mask is a deep conditioning treatment that's designed to strengthen and hydrate damaged hair. Its formula is packed with nourishing ingredients like natural oils and proteins, which work together to revitalize each strand. Whether you've got color-treated, heat-damaged, or just overall stressed hair, this mask aims to restore moisture and build strength from within. I've been using this mask for a few weeks now, and here's my experience. First of all, the texture is beautifully creamy and rich, which makes it easy to apply. The mask has a subtle, pleasant scent that isn't overwhelming, just the right amount of fragrance to make you feel like you're at a spa. I've tried it both as a quick treatment and left it on for the recommended 10 to 15 minutes, and I've found it works well either way. Now, how does it actually perform? After rinsing, my hair feels noticeably softer and more manageable. I've noticed that the ends of my hair, which usually feel rough and dry, are smoother and shinier. This mask doesn't weigh my hair down, which I really appreciate. Some deep conditioning treatments can leave my hair feeling heavy or greasy, but the Kure gives it a healthy shine without that issue. In terms of hydration, this mask definitely delivers. After using it regularly, my hair feels more nourished, and I've seen fewer split ends and breakage. If you have fine or easily damaged hair, you'll appreciate how this mask strengthens without compromising volume. It's great for all hair types, including mine, which is fine and prone to dryness. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, Amika The Kure mask is incredibly hydrating, strengthening, and the texture is luxurious without feeling too heavy. It also works fast, so it's perfect for a quick pamper session. On the downside, I do wish it was a bit more affordable. While I think it's definitely worth the investment for the quality, I know some people might hesitate because of the price tag. When it comes to value for money, it's all about your priorities. If you've got damaged hair and you're looking for something that delivers long-term results, this mask is definitely worth considering. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are other good masks out there that can provide similar benefits at a lower price. As for comparisons, Amika The Kure holds its ground against other high-end repair masks, such as the Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector. However, the Kure has a more natural ingredient profile, which could be a selling point if you're looking for a more eco-conscious option. It's also a great choice if you don't want something that's too heavy or overly potent. Amika is gentle but effective. Now onto the packaging. Amika's packaging is sleek and practical, with a solid twist-off lid that makes application easy without worrying about spills. Plus, the size is generous and a little goes a long way, so it should last a decent amount of time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. So what's the final verdict on Amika The Kure Intense Strength Repair Mask? If you're battling dry, damaged hair, and need something to give your strands a real boost, this is a great choice. It's a solid investment for those who prioritize hydration, repair, and overall hair health. But if you're more budget conscious, you might want to explore other options before splurging. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.